Hello, my name is Julian Vargas, and today I will be using Stellarium to illustrate a planet's retrograde motion over the next several months. The planet we'll be focusing on today is Mercury, right here in the middle of the screen. And we'll be focusing on its retrograde motion. It's going to go through in the next several months. The timestamp is today, August 29th, 2021. So retrograde motion, as many of us know, is known as an apparent change in direction of or movement of the planet throughout the sky. And I'll go ahead and start it for you. And go slow up first. So this is just a couple. This is next week, and then we can already see right here Mercury making a dip, almost going downward and going in that circular motion, going through that retrograde motion right here. This is October 6th, so in 2 months this is what Mercury is going to be doing, is going through retrograde motion, going at a different speed and different distance than the rest of the planets. And that's why certain planets go through retrograde motion, is because the different speeds and different distances that it travels. So going back to today, and we go play this in a little bit faster motion, we see Mercury go through that and hop on its original direction. So yeah, this is illustrating what Mercury is going to go through, and it's going to go through retrograde motion in the next couple of months. So thank you.